This is my GE stove, circa 2008. I don't know which model it is. Probably could have seen if I had still had my microwave, but it's a gas burner, and so recently it stopped burning on this burner. I'm not sure what kind of maintenance you're supposed to do on it. When I bought it, it didn't have a handbook, but it would stop. You turn over to light, and nothing would happen. It would just click, 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 click. But now it's working. So today I'll show you what I did, and it might be applicable, it might not be, to the stove you have. So it's not hot. You can see it's pretty dirty, it needs to be cleaned. Probably some stovetop cleaner. And then this actually comes out, and it's pretty simple. It's just this. So what I did was simple, nothing magical. I just, in this thing here, there's some holes that you can try to clean out. I think it's over on the other side. So I just used a toothpick to clean it, but you should be careful because it could probably get stuck in there. And so this was one hole that I tried cleaning. This little hole up here, try cleaning. And then just looked around. This probably needs to be cleaned itself, but I think those are the two main holes I cleaned. And then I put it back in. And then just turned it on. That's it. And so now it works, but before it wasn't. So sometimes it's as easy as that, but it might be more complicated.